the response of Ugandan riders has been really positive towards the Spiro motorcycles. Most riders have managed to get the Spiro motorcycles due to the lower costs, and with this, it has enabled more riders to embark on the journey of getting the e-mobility bikes. For a fully charged battery, a rider takes only about 2 minutes and it saves their time and hence getting more income. Purchase a Spiro bike at only 4,200,000 and on loan at only 300,000. To the young innovators out there, don't give up, keep moving. STI is here for us.